Most people see, oh my gosh, you get to be an artist and make a living that way. How awesome is that? Well, yeah, it is awesome, but actually the creating part is maybe 25% of it. The rest is managing the business side and everything else. My name is Bruce Marion. The name of my business is Bruce Marion Studios, and my online teaching is called Bruce on Art. I'm a fine artist. I show my artwork in 9 art galleries around the United States, and currently I'm teaching all online. The toughest part of my job is running the business, in particular online marketing. I realized it was a knowledge gap in my brain. I was looking for somebody who could coach me in this stuff. I found Dan in Breakthrough 3X through one of my best friends. What I love about Dan is he shares his journey. He's been around the block a lot of times. He knows what creates success. If it was a good fit, what I was trying to do. I have a great network in art that I built up with galleries over the years. And Dan has that in the online world of who can put together a Facebook ad, or if you're having a problem with your website. So Dan and his team have helped me incredibly with just implementation, which is super invaluable. Some of the marketing things that Dan has put in my business that he's helped me with is when I was launching my Kajabi membership site, you can't do live classes. So I started researching what is the best platform to deliver membership sites. Well, Dan said, keep it simple. Just stick with Zoom. You can deliver it this way. I jumped in and started doing it, and I've done 58 weeks of straight new art lessons every week. And that's been transformative for my students, but also myself. I have students all over the United States, Canada, and some in England as well. If I hadn't worked with Dan, I think I would have struggled a lot more. It might have taken 5 years to get where I am right now. I'm very successful as a fine artist selling original art. But for the online stuff, I was at 0 when I started, and now I'm at 6 figures. I think anybody that is wanting to build a successful online business, meaning reaching out to new customers and developing systems that work and that will continue to work over time, is a perfect client for Breakthrough. I would recommend Dan wholeheartedly. He's always going above and beyond.